If you're finding it challenging to effectively use LinkedIn for business growth, you may not have the right system in place. The key lies in adopting a comprehensive marketing and sales system. The Instantly Relevant Sales and Marketing System has helped countless companies and entrepreneurs transform their LinkedIn from just a platform to a robust business growth engine. It's about enhancing your executive presence, magnifying your brand's impact, generating leads, closing deals, and nurturing a referral cycle. Our system is delivered in 3 phases: Core, Connect, and Convert. Each phase has 3 precise components. In the Core phase, we lay an intentional foundation on LinkedIn to establish relevance. First, we define the customer persona of one. This is a deep understanding of why your segmented ideal customer profile is an ideal buyer. Then we shape your content to resonate and be relevant. Finally, we reframe your personal and business profiles to be altruistic and in service of your ideal customer profile. In the Connect phase, it's all about getting leads. Relevance serves as a catalyst to rapidly become known, liked, and trusted. Here, authentic human interactions and focused dialogues are augmented with advanced technology to influence your prospects to accept your call to action. It's all about forming real and meaningful connections at scale. Finally, in the Convert phase, the leads you've carefully nurtured are ready to become customers. We help you craft your own signature solution, irresistible offers, and a referral machine so you can not just close more deals, you're creating a cycle of ongoing customer referrals. The system works because each component is connected and serves to enable each other with an integrated strategy. Our customers are from all sorts of industries and have seen incredible results with significant increases in their relevant followers, brand awareness, quality and quantity of leads, closed deals, customer referrals, and increased revenues. Are you ready to consistently grow your business with LinkedIn using the Instantly Relevant Sales and Marketing System? Visit InstantlyRelevant.com to connect with our experts and begin transforming your LinkedIn business into a powerhouse of opportunities and growth.